Hi there. Welcome to your Carroll County August 2026 market update. It's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here with Winning Edge Real Estate. So Grant, what's happening in Carroll County?
Thanks for the intro, Dad. So right now, active inventory has fallen 22%, dropping from 403 homes to 315 homes in July 2026 compared to July of 2025. Carroll County, as we know, is the lowest inventory, available homes for sale in the area that we service.
Sure.
So lots of competition and some homes that are sitting. So right now, pending sales have increased almost 9%, which is great. And the average sales price has increased 7.5%, going from $510,000 to $549,000. And sold homes has increased almost 23%. So across the board, great news in Carroll County, whether you're buying or selling. Great time for a seller, but also buyers. Some homes are sitting.
Yep.
And that's awesome. So overall, who's the big winner in Carroll County this month?
Great question. So again, the winner is Eldersburg and Sykesville, 21074 by 6% rise in pricing, and they also win the luxury market, for last month.
There you go, double dinger. I love it. All right, guys. Well, hey, if you're looking to buy a home or sell a home here in Carroll County, or if you're just trying to start your search and figure out what's right for you to do, give us a call. It's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here with Winning Edge Real Estate. We're here to help.